Are you looking to shed some extra pounds and improve your overall health? One key factor in achieving your weight loss goals is meal preparation. By planning ahead and making healthy meals in advance, you can ensure that you have nutritious options readily available, making it easier to avoid unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. In this article, we will explore some simple and delicious meal preparation ideas that can help you on your weight loss journey. Meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By setting aside just a few hours each week to prepare your meals, you can save yourself time and stress during the busy work week. From batch cooking healthy staples like brown rice and grilled chicken, to assembling easy-to-grab meals like salads and stir-fries, there are countless ways to streamline your meal prep routine. The key is to make sure you have a variety of nutrient-dense options on hand, so you can mix and match throughout the week to keep things interesting and satisfying. Stick with us to discover some tasty and satisfying meal prep ideas that will help you reach your weight loss goals while nourishing your body. How to plan your meals in advance. Smart grocery shopping strategies. Quick and easy recipes for busy weekdays. Healthy meal prep tips for beginners. Storing and reheating your prepped meals. How to plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance is a key component of successful weight loss. By taking the time to plan out your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you have healthy options available to you throughout the week, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. One of the first steps in planning your meals in advance is to take a look at your schedule for the week. Consider what days you will be busy and what days you will have more time to prepare meals. This will help you determine which meals you will need to plan for and which meals you can prepare on the fly. Next, take some time to consider your dietary needs and preferences. Think about the types of foods you enjoy eating and the nutrients you need to fuel your body. This will help you create a meal plan that is not only healthy but also satisfying and enjoyable. Once you have a good idea of what you want to eat for the week, it's time to start putting together a grocery list. Take inventory of what you already have in your kitchen and make a list of the ingredients you will need to purchase. Be sure to include items for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks to ensure that you have everything you need to stay on track. When you go grocery shopping, try to stick to the perimeter of the store where the fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains are located. This will help you avoid the temptation of processed and unhealthy foods that are typically found in the center aisles. Once you have all of your ingredients, set aside some time to prepare your meals for the week. This could involve chopping veggies, cooking proteins, and portioning out snacks. By having everything prepped and ready to go, you will be less likely to reach for unhealthy options when you're hungry and short on time. Consider investing in some meal prep containers to make storing and transporting your meals easier. Portion out your meals into individual containers so that you can grab them quickly when you're on the go. This will also help prevent overeating, as you will have a set portion size ready to go. It's also a good idea to mix things up and include a variety of different foods and flavors in your meal plan. This will help prevent boredom and keep you motivated to stick to your weight loss goals. Try incorporating different cuisines, cooking methods, and ingredients to keep things interesting. Finally, be flexible and willing to adjust your meal plan as needed. Life is unpredictable, and there may be times when you need to swap out a meal or make last-minute changes. Don't get discouraged if things don't go exactly as planned. The important thing is to keep moving forward and making healthy choices. By following these tips and planning your meals in advance, you can set yourself up for success on your weight loss journey. Remember to stay organized, listen to your body's needs, and most importantly, enjoy the process of nourishing yourself with healthy, delicious food. Smart grocery shopping strategies. Grocery shopping plays a vital role in the success of your weight loss journey. By having a well-stocked kitchen filled with nutritious ingredients, you'll be more likely to make healthy meal choices throughout the week. However, navigating the aisles of the grocery store can be overwhelming, especially when bombarded with endless options and tempting treats. To make your grocery shopping trips more efficient and tailored to your weight loss goals, it's important to develop some smart strategies. One of the best tips for successful grocery shopping is to make a list before heading to the store. By planning out your meals and snacks for the week, you can ensure that you're only purchasing the items you need and will actually use. When creating your grocery list, focus on nutrient-dense foods that will support your weight loss efforts. Fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats should be at the top of your list. Try to choose a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting a range of essential vitamins and minerals. Opt for lean proteins such as skinless chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, or legumes to help keep you full and satisfied. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat pasta are great options to incorporate into your meals as they provide fiber and nutrients that can aid in weight loss. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are also important for overall health and can help keep you feeling satisfied. Another key strategy for successful grocery shopping is to shop the perimeter of the store. This is where you'll find the fresh produce, meats, dairy, and whole foods. By focusing on these areas of the store, you can avoid the processed and unhealthy foods found in the center aisles. It's also important to read food labels and ingredient lists when grocery shopping. Look for items with minimal ingredients and try to avoid products with added sugars, saturated fats, and artificial ingredients. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible to ensure you're fueling your body with nutritious options. Additionally, consider shopping with a plan in mind. Try to stick to your list and avoid wandering aimlessly through the aisles, which can lead to impulse buys of unhealthy snacks and treats. If you struggle with self-control, it may be helpful to shop after a meal when you're less likely to give in to cravings. Lastly, don't be afraid to try new ingredients and recipes. Experimenting with different foods and flavors can keep your meals exciting and prevent boredom with your diet. Look for healthy recipes online or in cookbooks to inspire your meal planning and grocery shopping. By implementing these smart grocery shopping strategies, you can set yourself up for success on your weight loss journey. With a well-stocked kitchen filled with nutritious ingredients, you'll be more likely to make healthy choices and stay on track with your goals. Happy shopping!